Are you tired of lagging in Fortnite? Many players struggle with controller settings. This tutorial will help you optimize your settings for high FPS. Our goal is to improve your gaming performance in Fortnite. First, access your controller settings in Fortnite. Navigate to the settings menu from the main screen. Next, adjust your sensitivity settings. Lower sensitivity can improve aiming precision. Now, set your target and scope sensitivity. Adjust these values to match your play style. Move on to the dead zone settings. A lower dead zone allows for quicker reactions. Test out different values to find what suits you. Next, tweak your controller vibration settings. Disabling vibration can enhance focus during gameplay. Now, let's discuss button mapping. Customize your buttons for faster access. Assign essential functions to easily reachable buttons. Next, check your display settings for optimal performance. Set your resolution to balance quality and FPS. Disable motion blur for clearer visuals while playing. Finally, save your settings and enter a practice match. Test how your new settings feel during gameplay. After practice, compare your performance to previous sessions. Remember to adjust settings based on your comfort level. Key takeaways include adjusting sensitivity and dead zone. Vibration settings can also impact your focus in game. Button mapping can provide quicker access during intense play. Apply these tips and see improvements in your game. Get ready to dominate in Fortnite with these optimizations. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your gameplay.